Dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. In the previous class, I talked about the chapter about Maldives. Today, we are going to another lesson, lesson 1, unit 7. Lesson 1, unit 7, open at page 91. Dear students, have you got open at page 91? The lesson heading is Zainul Abidin, the great artist. Zainul Abidin, the greatest. Have you ever heard this name? I think you have heard the name. He was a great artist and he was the pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art. He was a scholar. In his childhood, he was fond of painting. While he was born, he nurtured love. That he was environment, his surroundings, he painted this nature, this picture in his own khata. Students, so I am going to read out the passage. Listen to me. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Zainul Abidin, is widely acclaimed for his Bengal famine sketches. Through the series of sketches, Zainul not only documented the harsh famine of 1943, but also showed its sinister face through the skeletal figures of the people destined to die of starvation in a man-made flight. He depicted these extremely shocking pictures with human compassion. He made his own ink by burning charcoal and used cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. Using the ink and applying the brush where necessary, he produced the drawings and sketches which later became iconic images of human sufferings. Zainul developed a knack for drawing and painting when he was a high school student. After completing high school, he took admission in the Government School of Art, Calcutta, now Kolkata. He graduated with the first position in first class in 1938. He was appointed a teacher of the art school while he was still a student there. He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951 to 1952. Zainul Abidin is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. Para 3. Have you got Para 3? He was an artist of outstanding talent and earned international reputation. For his artistic and visionary qualities, he is referred to as Shilpacharya, meaning great teacher of art in Bangladesh. He was the first principal of Bangladesh, first principal of the first art school in Dhaka, in East Pakistan. He organized the Navama exhibition in 1969. The exhibition included a 65 feet long scroll parading the rural East Pakistan in phase from abundance to poverty. This intensified the already heightened non-cooperation movement against the Pakistan regime. The exhibition was symbolic of the Bengali artist quoted and a milestone in our struggle for its cultural and political freedom. Zainul's dynamic style of work is evident in a 30 feet long scroll painting called Manpura, which was done to commemorate the death of hundreds and thousands of people in the devastating cyclone in 1970. He designed the pages of the Constitution of the Bangladesh. He founded the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon and also Zainul Abidin Sangramshala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh in 1975. The river Brahmaputra played a vital, the last para. The river Brahmaputra played a vital role in his paintings and was source of inspiration all through his career. Much of his childhood was spent near the scenic river Brahmaputra, a series of watercolors that John did as his tribute to the river earned him the governor's gold medal in All India exhibition in 1938. This was the first time that he came into spotlight, and this award gave him the confidence to create his own visual style. Zainul Abidin was born in Kishanganj on 29 December 1940 and died in Dhaka on May 1976. Dear students, this is the passage about Zainul Abidin. You have understood the fact. Now I am writing some vocab, write down in Khata. This is widely. Widely means largely. Widely is largely. Adverb. What kind of words is adverb? Athlete means means look at the blackboard and write down this book up. Having khata, having scarcity of food, খাবারের সংকট, famine. Starvation, go on without any food. Compassion, sympathy. Iconic, iconic means pioneer. Graduate, graduate, one who takes university degree. This is the some vocab, dear students. Come to the next page. Here are some questions. Number 1, write in detail how Zainul Abidin portrayed the sufferings of people. Write in detail how Zainul Abidin portrayed the sufferings of people. Number 2, what influence did the river Brahmaputra have on Zainul Abidin? How did he show his influence in his work? What did this work earn him in his life? Number 3, what did this work earn him life? Number 4, how did his art help to intensify the no cooperation movement against the Pakistan regime? The students, section questions. Section B, look at at the series picture below, work in groups and talk about them. Now briefly write about what each picture portrays. Here you can see some pictures. These pictures are drawn by John Labidi. Drawn by John Labidi. You can see the picture, what a compassion, what a sympathy this picture. This is a human skeleton. He is going on food, without food, day after day. These are village, these are starvation. You can see some pictures, another page, Janullah Bidin. This is really a good picture that he drawn for us. He is our pioneer. You have heard the Bangladesh Gallery, the Sonabangla Museum that he founded, and he founded Mymensingh Sanghrahshala. And he is the first principal of Dhaka Art College, and he is also a founder of Dhaka Art College. So, Janullah Bidin is our pioneer, he is our proud. We respect him with deep, profound. Dear students, this is I am going to end in my class. Your home task, homework, the questions, section questions. Here 1, 2, 4. Write down these questions. In the next class, we will discuss these questions. Thank you very much. Hope you are well. With best wishes.